Okay, some people will now say, why walking alone, snakes, spiders? That's why I've got a backpack on my back with all the necessary first aid appliances. Anti-venom, I've got snake bite cure middles to fix it temporary and get out of here, get to the nearest hospital. So yes, you don't come to places like this unprepared. You need to have water, you need to have hydrate, you need to have first aid medical kits, dry socks, dry shoes, dry pants, and a shirt in your backpack. So also have one rat pack, some food that will last me for 3 days. So if a snake bite me, I have the necessary bandages, pressure bandages to stop the poison from spreading further. I also have a venom sucker. It's a little device that you use. If a snake bit you here, you put it over and then you pull it and it sucks everything out. But you need to apply a bandage, a pressure bandage. Normal bandage will not work. So what you do immediately, stand still on your leg. You stand, you don't sit, you keep on standing. Get your backpack off. Apply the bandage as quick as possible, high up in your thighs. If it bits you on the leg, going down, high up as possible, as quick as possible, to block the blood flow. As soon as the blood flow is stopped, then your veins will start to swell because of the blood flow has been stopped. Then you take that sucker over the wound and then you pull. You pull as much as that you can. After that, you put another bandage on top of that wound as a pressure bandage as well, and then you may release the one on top on your thighs. You release it a little bit and then you can walk slowly, slow as possible, back to your vehicle, get the nearest help, get to the hospital as quick as possible. Remember, the venom is not out. That thing doesn't suck out anything. It's just buy a little bit of more time. So yes, don't be fooled. Don't get bit by a snake. If you see them, leave them. This is their world, not ours. Look how beautiful that is. Climb down there, climb up there. So I'm quite exhausting. And now the clouds is busy disappearing. Soon I will be starting to get heat from the sun. Let me continue.